Guys, I'm back with the video, but I called everybody, and they told me that, well, this dog is not theirs. So I called the vet and told the pound that can I keep her. They said yes, and I named her Connie. She's a girl, and her name is Bear. She was born in the woods, so she came to my house. And here she is from being in her puppy mode. Come here, Lily. Bear. Good girl. And you're my doggo. You're my good girl, okay? Oh, you like that? You like that? Hey, why are you not taking a photo of me? You're just taking a photo of that dumb dog. Not right now, Foxy. Ugh, boy, how are you? Sorry, guys, about that girl back there, because she wanted to get in the video. But, yeah, this is my dog now. And she's a puppy right now, so you can't pick her up or nothing. I'm only around, so I will show you her. There she is. And look at her. She is really cute. And she's my puppy. She's my puppy girl. So, yeah. She's my little puppy. And she's a girl. A good girl. Come here. She kind of gets angry when people hurt her fur. And yeah, this is her. She's a little pup. Bye.